Let's check all of the accessories that does come with the Redmi A5, and we're gonna start by opening the box right here. As you can see, it's brand new. I will need to cut out those stickers. So when we have our stickers cut out, we can access everything that is inside of that box. And first thing you're gonna see is a phone itself. I'm just gonna bring it on the side as it's pretty obvious that this box comes with the phone. Next thing is the needle for SIM ejection. We also have a cable, but sadly this device doesn't come with the charger. We also get the instructions, so let's put them aside. And one last thing that I'm going to mention is a charger. So if you're planning on getting a charger for this device, it is recommended between 5 to 15 watts of a charger to charge this device, and you can go with the higher charger just above 15, but it won't use that full speed. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.